What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to loud mic on Discord or anywhere. Just gonna bump your mic volume up and make it loud. So there's two methods to do this, but make sure you watch my other video on how to route FL Studio to your Discord. Well, just watch the one with the how to get auto-tune and then you should be good. But anyways, I'm going to teach you the two methods of how to loud mic. It's pretty easy. Alright, so first what you want to do is go to your voicemeeter, and there's two methods to this, and the first one is just turning this one up. This is just your gain in voicemeter, and you'll just sound like this, you'll just be louder. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know that there's gonna be an ear rape warning, so I just hope you guys know that it's gonna get loud. Anyways, I don't even want to hear myself, bro. It's gonna be that loud. Anyways, there's that method just to turn that up, and the other method, I'm gonna put the download in the description, is this and this right here. Makes your volume super loud. I don't even want to hear myself. I'm gonna disable it because, like, just letting you guys know, it will ear rape you, so turn down your volume, bro. Okay, I turned it off, but notice how it's super high up. So you can turn this up and you can turn this on, or if you just want to be normal, just put that up. But this and this will make you super loud, so I'm gonna do it right now, just letting you guys know it's gonna be really loud. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's what it does, and I'm gonna test it in some Discord servers, and I'm gonna see if we can get some reactions. So I'll bring you guys back when I am in a Discord server, and I'll show the method 1, method 2. So I'll try this one and I'll try both. So yeah. Alright guys, so I found a Discord, and it's some Discord called Anime Soul. I'm probably gonna get banned if after I do this, but you know the vibes, bro. Gang gang gang. So first I think I'm gonna do method 1, just turn this one up, and let's see what people say, bro. Let's see what people say. Alright, let's go into this VC.
What?
Lazarus,
What?
Yo, what's up guys?
Hello?
welcome.
Yo, am I loud? Am I loud? Am I loud?
A little bit, but I lowered your volume. No problem.
Alright, thanks bro. I didn't want to be mean, bro. These kids are like soft as hell, bro. Anyways, the next people are gonna get violated, so let's find a VC that's hopefully toxic. This one looks toxic. Okay, I'm gonna turn up. Make sure you lower your volume unless you don't want to get ear raped. But yeah, I'm gonna try the method 2, and we're gonna hop in this VC right here. Alright, so let's turn this on. Gonna be loud as shit, so lower your volume, bro. I don't want to ear rape y'all niggas. Alright.
Yo, what's going on, bro? What are you doing, bro? Fala, bro, come on, bro. Fala, bro. What's wrong, bro? Fala, bro. Come on, bro.
As you can see, we got a couple reactions, bro. But you know the vibes, bro. Anyways, that's how you loud mic on Discord, bro. You can loud mic anywhere. If I go on Omegle right now, I can loud mic some kids, bro. No cap. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and drop a like. I appreciate it. You guys have a good one, bro. Peace.